In no mood to find another I might not come no 만나서 괜히 일그덕해요 Right now, baby, I don't about the other summer.
Hi guys, so today is a solo day. This is my fit. I got this from Brandy and I also got this from Don Quixote. I really want to get more clothes. I'm definitely not getting any more skincare. I've bought too much yesterday. So I'm currently waiting for the Toei bus right now. Today's kind of cold outside. I wish I brought my gloves, but we're kind of going somewhere to the ocean, so I don't think we'll really need gloves. I'm currently lost, but I found this like gacha thing, and bro, I used to watch Sugar Chara all the time, Sugar Kara or whatever. Anyways, I really want Gojo, so I'm gonna try for Gojo. It's pink. I hope it's Gojo. No, I wanted anyone but her. Oh my god. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's try for Gojo. Please, please. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Itadori Yuji. Still cute. I'll take it. I'm currently in transferring right now, and look what I found. It's actually so pretty. I'm in Kamakura. Isn't that so exciting? It's so pretty out here. Like, I love the ocean and everything. The wind is so nice. You have no idea. Like, it's so warm. It's so much better than it was in the central of Tokyo. Now I'm walking down. Let's see what I can do. Honestly, it's so bright outside. I hope I can stay until sunset, but we'll have to see. It's so beautiful here. I love the beach. I've been missing it so much since last time I went to Vietnam. I met someone. What's your name?
Ma Yue.
She's so nice. She took a couple pictures of me and she's so pretty. Look at these seashells, so pretty. It's a random cafe that has a seat for outside to like look down into the sea. It's so pretty. I have to order off this online and I'm gonna see which one I want. Well, I got the oat milk matcha. It's okay. Not my favorite, but it's still pretty good. You should try it.
Okay.
Oh, it's good, huh?
Wow.
Whoa.
It's very spicy.
Very spicy?
Yes.
I love spicy. We just finished eating, so now I'm gonna go and walk around with my friends. Not too sure where we're going, but we're gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna stay here until the sunset and then head back to Tokyo. Look at all the variety the shops have. Oops, sunglasses and everything. Cool. Look how real that looks. Oh my god. The very top is like a little shrine. Look at the lantern. So pretty. Beautiful. So my friend is currently in the bathroom right now and I'm just waiting for her to come out. It is so pretty here. I'm glad I took a day trip to Kamakura because it's gorgeous. So I think we're planning on watching the sunset around in the observatory because apparently it's the best way to watch the sunset. And then after that, I'm gonna head back to Tokyo and see how I can do some quick shopping. So we walked up a little further and look at this view. Is that not insane? I'm obsessed. There's just a crow standing here. He's so close to us. Oh, there's a squirrel. Ah! This view, magnificent. And then look, there's a little heart over here. So cute. The two people on the little tide. And then the little heart arrow over there is so to die for. Currently at the harbor earlier, kind of like the crossing where we get to the island, because my friend wanted to see Mount Fuji and kind of take a picture. It's actually so clear right now, so I think we can get a really good photo of Mount Fuji. And I'm still obsessed with the fact that they have palm beach trees. That's actually so insane and cool. Mount Fuji, boop boop. Here's our final destination. The smell of the beach is so warming. So relaxing here, and they just started playing music, like golden hour. I just can't get over this view. It got super pink. I can't tell if you can see, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I'm currently back at the hotel and it's 6:30 right now. So I went to a random temple actually in Kamakura, and I also got a good luck kind of fortune thing because I need this so bad since I got 2 unlucky draws in a row. Hopefully this replenishes the bad spirits. It looks like a sunset, so I really like it. And I met my friend there and she was so nice. She gifted me this Detective Cohen type of card. It's like a memorial photo or something.